everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is another makeup and chat Monday video. Are you super excited about it? Because I definitely am.
She wakes up early every morning just to do her hair now because she cares, y'all. Her day wouldn't be right without her makeup. She's never had a makeup.
I am trying something a little bit different today, so of course I'm talking to you right now, but in the next clip I'm going to be doing a voiceover, so you won't see me until my next upload. So make sure that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe. Like I tell you guys all the time, if you look down below and your subscribe button is gray, you're doing good out here. If it's red, you're not doing so good out here, so make sure you tap it so you can be a part of my channel. And make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can be notified of all of my uploads. And again, I'll see you guys in my next video. Everything that I use will be down in the description box below, and that's all that I have to say about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Hey everybody, alright, so I'm showing you that I already did my eyebrows, did one eye. I did go ahead and set my eyebrows with the MERCIER powder, so that's what that weird powder is. Also, to prime my eye today, I used the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I set that with the translucent powder as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going in with that Black Radiance palette. This is the light to medium palette, and I'm just going to use both the contour and the sculpt colors. I'm going to mix those two together just so I can get a nice light transition color going first. So I'm going to put that on, and that's what I'm doing right now. Next, I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take that orange color right here. Can you see it? Good. That's the one. So yeah, it's pretty hard to get the right angle so you guys can see what I'm doing, but I'm just applying that orange color with a very small angled eyeliner brush. I'm going to kind of start carving out where I want my I guess you could say this is a cut crease kind of look, so I'm just carving out where I want this orange color to be. And as per usual, guys, I'm in a rush. I don't know, I just have really bad time management skills. And I'm rushing here, and I'm trying to get things done. So this video is sped up a little bit for you guys. I'm trying things a little bit different with the voiceover. But if you like this style of video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. I really appreciate it. So now I'm going in with that same brush that I used the Black Radiance powder. I didn't add anything, I was just buffing that color out a bit. Now I'm going in and I'm going to use my World Traveler palette and grab that Morocco color and just add that on top of where I put the orange color, just to blend it out. And now I'm going in with my ILUVSARAHI palette, and I'm going to take that green color. I don't know what the name of the color is right now. Please forgive me, but you know what I'm talking about. That teal blue beautiful color, and I'm going to go ahead and place this on my actual eyelid. Now, like I said, I do have the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer on my eye as a primer, but if I would have used a black base, a blue base, any kind of colored base under this, it would have made the eyeshadow pop even more than, you know, it is right here in the video. But it's the daytime and I wasn't trying to do too much. The color still looked really, really beautiful, but I'm just letting you guys know, of course, if I would have put something under it as far as a colored base, it would have looked way, way better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and build this up. I probably could have wet the product, but I wasn't thinking because, like I said, I was rushing and I was just like, I gotta get this done. Now I'm going in with this color because I want to bring more definition back into my little cut crease area here, because I kind of lost some of that orange. So I'm just going in with that color to carve this out here. And I don't know if you guys can notice, but this eye that I'm working on right now, the blue is a little bit higher than my other eye. But, you know, I could have fixed it. But like I said, I was rushing and I was like, I'm just going to leave this eye the way it is. I don't care. Back in with the orange again. And I did add some more color from the World Traveler palette, but right now I'm going in with that orange just to define the crease area just a bit more. So now I'm going to go in with that fudge color and add that under my eye because I didn't want to leave that too blank. Then I'm going in with Morocco under where I put the fudge. So I'm trying to do like a gradient effect under my eye. So dark brown, a little bit lighter brown. Then we're going to add some of that orange to my under eye area. And because I just cannot leave my inner corner area blank, I'm going in and adding that gold color. I did feel like it was a little bit too dark, so now I'm going to go in with that lighter color and add that on top. So here I wanted to add a little bit of drama to my under eye, but not too much, so I added the blue color right in the center of my under eye area, just the center, and I wanted to like blend that in with the browns. I'm going to go in and add a very, very fine line to my lash line using that Jacqueline, I can't remember the name of it, but it's going to be in the description bar. Any black eyeliner will do. I just want to just get a thin line going. Ooh, okay. I was in a rush, got a shirt change, and I already added my foundation. So this is the BECCA 24-hour foundation in the color Maple. So I'm just going to apply this with this Real Techniques brush. I love this brush. Love it. And I'm going to just get that powder off my eyebrows because we don't need that. Finish blending this concealer finish blending the foundation. Now we're jumping into the concealer, which is the NARS Caramel Concealer. NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Caramel. You know what I'm talking about. Blended that out. Added some Laura Mercier powder to set everything, and now I'm just going in with that same Black Radiance palette that we started the tutorial with, and I'm bronzing up my skin a bit, and I'm wiping away the translucent powder right now because I'm already done bronzing. We gotta go. Okay, a little bit more bronzing. And I'm going to use my sponge just to set everything in. And now I'm going to use that shimmer color from the same exact palette for my highlight. I didn't want to do too much. And then I'm going to set everything with my Rebound spray. It's not really a setting spray, but I like to use it anyway. And that is it, guys. I will see you guys later. Here is some slow motion pictures for you because why not? Why freaking not? All right, guys, I'll see you later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.